Hello students, we have started 10th class current magnetic effects of current. Magnetic effect of current chapter. Till we have studied that if current is flowing in a conductor, magnetic field is produced in it, and Maxwell right hand thumb rule will tell the direction of a magnetic field like this. After that, we have studied that if a coil is kept in a magnetic field, while we can say a current carrying conductor, kicking wire experiment we have done. We have seen there in that experiment that if in this magnet one conductor in which current is flowing is kept, then this conductor current is producing magnetic field. It has magnet also has its own magnetic field. Both will apply the force on each other's, and due to that a force acts on it. That force move this conductor out of magnet and a conductor which will be lesser in a weight, lesser in mass, that will move. The Fleming left hand rule. This is Fleming left hand rule. Thumb motion means a force, middle finger in the direction of magnetic field, central finger C for currents, right? Means a current carrying conductor, if kept in a magnetic field, a force acts on it. Now we are taking on this base today a topic electric motor. What is motor is doing? The motor means a motor which is in your fan, motor which is in the toys. A lot of motors you have seen in your life. What is happening when we give the supply of current to that motor? It starts to rotate, meaning its current is converted into the kinetic energy, into mechanical energy that can do the work. So electric motor, which is device which converts electric energy into mechanical energy, right? What is the principle? Simple. Current carrying coil or conductor kept in a magnetic field experiences a force, right? Whenever a current carrying conductor or coil kept in a magnetic field, torque acts on it. Torque is the exact word. You will study in detail about this in a +1 class. If you are facing some problem, then you can write force also. That will be enough for a 9th level. What is the difference between force and torque? Force means when we are applying a force, then the object moves straight away. But by applying a force, if object start to rotate, then that force special name is torque. Torque means turning effect of force, rotations. So torque acts on. Now this electric motor has the 4 main parts. Armature coil. This is the ABCD coil which is kept on a soft iron core. Take a wire. Just imagine this is a wood, rectangular wood piece, and on this if you will wrap the wire, it will become just like a circle. Then this is called a rectangular coil. It will form make a rectangular form. So एक circle, तो ये एक क्वाइल बन जाएगी, इसको बोलते हैं आर्मेचर क्वाइल बेटा। और ABCD बहुत सारे इसमें टर्न्स होते हैं। ओके, सेकंड मैग्नेट्स, नॉर्थ एंड साउथ, two poles are there, they are applying a magnetic field, this north to south, and B is the alphabet we are using for magnetic field, B, right? This way is the magnetic field. Okay, the third thing is, this is the arm AB of a coil, and with this arm we have connected one split rings. Just imagine you have one hollow ball of metal. Okay, एक बॉल है मेटल की, and cut it from in between. One portion is this, one is this. It will look like this, just like my hand. And this is the first ring, and this is the second ring, right? First ring is this one, C1 we have kept here, and C2 this, and we have welded with this AB side, and this is with the CD side. Is it clear? No. The fourth part, first is coil, magnets, second, third split rings, they are of metals, and a carbon brushes, they are of carbon, good conductor of electricity. They are here. They are not welded with these rings, they are just remain in touch. Just this is, just imagine this is a ring, है ना, और यहाँ पे ये जैसे रिंग घूमेगा यहाँ टच में रहेगा, राइट? कार्बन का है, बहुत हार्ड नहीं है, इसलिए हमने कार्बन का लिया हुआ है ना. When the switch will be closed, the current start to flow this way. Okay, through the brush split rings into the coils this way, है ना. ये देखो पॉजिटिव से निकला बेटा. ये रियोस्टैट जस्ट टू कंट्रोल द करंट इज दिस. नहीं लगाओगे तब भी कोई बात नहीं सर्किट में, बट इट विल बी बेटर इफ यू विल शो हियर रियोस्टैट. इट विल कंट्रोल द करंट. सो दिस वे द करंट इज फ्लोइंग. सी, ओके. What is happening when the current starts to flow, this side and this side, है ना, this side just take up first is this side, CD. This side current is this way, magnetic field is this way, then there will be a force on CD side. Which direction is the force? See now, current is upside, this is my left hand, magnetic field is this and current is this, right? देखो, this is the magnetic field, this is the magnetic field, and this is the current, and my thumb is down side. Okay, है ना. एक बार फिर से रखता हूं बेटा, ये देखो, this is the magnetic field, this is the current, and thumb is down side. So नीचे को इसको फोर्स लगेगी. सेम यहाँ पे लगाओगे राइट हैंड रूल तो इसे ऊपर लगेगी. सो सी हियर, ये नीचे को ऐसे यूं मूव करेगा, यूं, है ना, दिस वे. दिस इज clockwise ना. So this is an axle, थोड़ी साइकिल ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੁੰਦਾ ना, टायर ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ axle, and this way it start to move, है ना, ऐसे ये रोटेट करेगा, ऐसे clockwise. Clear? Now after half rotations what will happen, this AB side will reach here and CD side will reach here. I have shown in second diagram, it's important, you have to show also. AB this side and CD this side. AB was with the C2, C1 will reach here, brushes will be same position, B1 here and B2 here, same positions. Now the current direction is the same this way. Now the current is A to V. पहले कहाँ से था? B to A था बेटा. So this side again the current is in the same direction. Same direction is of a magnetic field, and a force will be downside here, upside here. Again the rotation will be same clockwise. So the coil continues to move in a clockwise directions. This way continues to move. Is it clear? So this is the electric motor beta. So here we have used a Source DC current source. So this is called DC motor, right? In our syllabus is DC motor. There are two types of motors, DC and AC. AC motor means in a fan. Okay, DC motor means in a twice. So this way it will start to rotate. Flaming left hand rule will tell the direction of rotations. Clear beta? Now see, current will be more, then more will be the speed, more the magnetic field, more the number of turns, more will be the strength of motor. कई मोटर बड़ी फास्ट घूमदियां ने, कई स्लो घूमदियां ने, किवें मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ज्यादा लाओगे, करंट ज्यादा लाओगे, नंबर ऑफ टर्न ज्यादा होंगे तो वो ज्यादा होंगी बेटा, ज्यादा रोटेशंस करेगी। इज इट क्लियर? सो ऐसे ऐसे ये मूव करेगा। अच्छा, आपने एक मिक्सी के अंदर देखा है, मिक्सी होती है ना हमारी जिसमें हम ग्राइंड करते हैं, कहीं देखी होगी आपने, ऐसे ऐसे रोटेट होती है ना, वो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में आपको बताऊंगा वो कैसे रोटेट होती है। ओके बेटा, थैंक यू वेरी मच।